come and see. You feel come and see. Cryptocurrency, come and see. Defi bully, Nasa Binkabi. Subscribe to me just bingo. In a crypto, brand new money as I wake up. Hit the bell, get alerted with the info. Like, comment, subscribe. What's up, people? It's your boy Nasa Binkabi. This DeFi bully. Okay, just do a quick update video. I seen some little changes going on with his Grinch books site. And just wanted to address a couple things. But before we get into that, remember I'm on that push to 1,000 subscribers. Let's get the boy monetized. So hit that subscribe button, people, and hit that like button for the algorithm. And that notification bell, because it's this time sensitive. If y'all had pressed that notification bell, like I was saying last night when I first brought this project up, y'all probably would have been in a little better position. I know some of y'all got some good ones and some of y'all didn't. It's okay. Keep going. You can compound your way to freedom. That's the 8th wonder of the world, according to Albert Einstein. But let me start lollygagging. Now I noticed that green eggs showed up. Before it just said eggs, now it say green eggs. And I was over here like, what is green eggs? What is green eggs? I was asking in the live stream a while ago. I mean, not live stream, in my last video. And after, actually, guess who replied to me? Mr. Baby Grinch himself, if I could find his message. But basically, I mean, I'm a fool. Yeah, I'm an idiot. Basically, it's just their fancy way of showing the equivalent of the BNB value. So it's basically the dollar value. It's the same thing as this. I think if they're going to do that, maybe they should get rid of the BNB value right here. I mean, the BNB value do make it look official. But if that comes off and they just have green eggs, the ecosystem would be more complete. You know? You have green eggs and ham. Yes, I am. Am I happy? Yes, I am. I am. I now have 16 green eggs and 1,100 ham. 1,119. Let's go. So I was actually thinking about this. If you're buying early and you get in, cause I only paid 1 BNB and got 1,100 ham. Hold on one back. Y'all don't even know I left for like 10 minutes. Nah, but honestly, right here, what I was thinking is, why they even have the BNB? You should just have the green eggs. It'll be good with the ecosystem. And I was also wondering, if you're buying earlier and you get more ham, is it the same thing when you compound earlier? Like, if you guys know, just put that down below. I'm pretty sure it is because you're adding more money to the contract. I'm guessing, like, it's as long as the contract balance is still increasing, if you compound early, it'll still be worth more. Am I right in my thinking? I believe so. If you guys, if anybody knows any more about that than I do, just comment that down below. It'll be a good help. Or hit me up in my Telegram group, Bullpen Millionaires. I mean, always down to discuss and talk. We all here. We all new to the world. All of us were new at one point. We all learning. We living. And we doing the damn thing. So I'm not 100% sure, but still, I'm gonna go ahead and compound for now. The contract balance is at $1.57 million. That's 3,700 and such BNB. So just go ahead and compound that because I don't know what's going on. I don't know what's going on. But I know it's paying because that's $42. And I actually compounded once already since launch. And I believe launch was 4 o'clock my time and now it's 8 o'clock. It went to about $14 and then I compounded it and it went back to 41. So I'm just trying to keep track so people understand. And that was before it showed green eggs, you know. Okay. All right. Now I've been hearing some stories. People, actually, I watched a video a while ago with my boy Crypto Talk. I'm not Crypto Talk. Sorry, Hustling Crypto. He actually did a deposit for 4 BNB and only received 700 ham. I feel so privileged because my 1 BNB gave me this many. I feel privileged. I feel honored. And I heard stories about somebody putting 12 BNB. That's like $5,000. And getting like the same amount as me. So I'm definitely blessed. Let's see how this pays out. And I do believe Grinch Bucks is a good thing to get into, especially with all the hype right now. So if you want to get started, the link will be down below. Show the channel some support. You know we not monetized. Hit that subscribe button. I ain't got no drink to pop right now. I just had to hold it fresh. You know what I mean? I had to come back fresh for you people. You get me? It's DeFi, and it's not financial advice, but this is an update video. Now get in on that link. You heard me.
I get paid to entertain. And all of this is entertainment.